put that work in, man. Nobody not gonna give you nothing. You gotta do things other than just catch and shoot, playing one-on-one, playing pickup. Just the little things like this that's gonna make you a better player.
Doing some strength and conditioning this morning with Bobby. You know, one of the main things for him is just his conditioning. We both think that once he's well conditioned, you know, it allows him to go through his progressions in the game easier.